Hey there, container gardeners! Whether you're just starting out or looking to up your herb game, oregano is one of the best herbs to try in containers. It's forgiving, flavorful, and perfect for small spaces. So let's dive in and make sure you get it right from the start. If this video is helpful in any way at all, please consider liking and subscribing to help me out. I really appreciate it. If you've ever wanted to grow fresh oregano but don't have a garden, you're in luck. Because today I'm revealing all the do's and don'ts of oregano container gardening. You don't need a big backyard or fancy equipment, just a little know-how and the right setup. Trust me, this fragrant herb is easy to grow, but there are some pitfalls you'll want to dodge right from the get-go. A few simple mistakes can mean the difference between a lush, thriving plant and a sad, scraggly one. First things first, the container. The pot you choose is more important than you might think. Do pick a pot that's at least 8 to 12 inches wide with drainage holes. Oregano likes room to spread out, and those drainage holes are non-negotiable. Oregano hates wet feet, so don't use pots without drainage. Soggy roots mean sad, wilted plants. If water can't escape, your oregano's roots will suffocate and rot, and that's a fast track to plant disaster. Unglazed clay pots are best as they allow the soil to dry out faster. Next up, soil. The right soil is like a comfy bed for your oregano. Do use a high-quality potting mix, something light and airy. Look for mixes made for herbs or vegetables and avoid anything too heavy. Don't just dig up dirt from outside. Outdoor soil compacts in containers, and your oregano won't thrive. Compacted soil suffocates roots and holds too much water, which oregano really doesn't like. When planting, remember, oregano seeds need light to germinate, so moisten your soil and sow them on the surface. Then press them in lightly. 70 Fahrenheit or 21 Celsius soil is best for germination. Now, where to put your pot? Location is everything for happy oregano. Do give your oregano plenty of sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Oregano is a Mediterranean herb, so it loves basking in the sunlight. I like to keep mine on a sunny patio or windowsill. South-facing windows are ideal, but any spot that gets strong, direct light will do. Don't stick it in a shady corner. Without enough light, your plant will get leggy and weak. You'll end up with long, spindly stems and very little flavor. Oregano does best in temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 to 29 degrees Celsius during the day, and between 55 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 13 to 16 degrees Celsius at night. It can survive cooler weather, down to around 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, but only for short periods of time. Consistent cold leads to dormancy or stress. It cannot survive frost, so make sure it is inside over winter. Watering is where most folks slip up. It's easy to overdo it, especially if you're used to watering other houseplants. Do water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Stick your finger in the soil. If it's dry up to your first knuckle, it's time to water. Oregano is drought tolerant, so don't overdo it. Too much water invites root rot, and trust me, nobody wants that. Let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. Your plant will thank you. Let's talk feeding. Oregano doesn't need a lot, but a little boost goes a long way. Do fertilize lightly, maybe once a month with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer. Too much fertilizer can make the plant grow fast but lose its signature flavor. Don't dump a bunch of plant food in there. Oregano doesn't need much, and too much can actually dull its flavor. Less is more when it comes to feeding this herb. As your plant grows, do snip leaves regularly to encourage bushy growth. Pinching back the tips helps the plant branch out and stay compact. Harvesting often keeps your oregano productive and tasty. The more you harvest, the more it grows. So don't be shy. Don't just let it grow wild. If it gets too tall and woody, the flavor drops, and it can get out of control. Regular trimming keeps it healthy and flavorful. Finally, pests and problems. Even the toughest herbs need a little attention now and then. Do keep an eye out for aphids or spider mites. But honestly, oregano is pretty tough. Most pests don't bother it, but it's always good to check under the leaves every week or so. If you find critters, a quick blast with water or a gentle soap spray usually does the trick. Don't use harsh chemicals. Oregano is for eating after all. So, to sum it up, right pot, good soil, sunny spot, careful watering, light feeding, and regular snipping. These steps are simple, but they make all the difference. Follow those do's and dodge the don'ts, and you'll have a thriving pot of oregano, ready for pizza night or pasta anytime. Imagine snipping fresh leaves right into your favorite dishes. Nothing beats that homegrown flavor. If you learned something new today, please like and hit that subscribe button for more easy growing tips. I've got plenty more herb hacks and container gardening secrets coming your way, so don't miss out. And don't forget to leave a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy growing and enjoy your fresh oregano.